A Colorado nurse finds herself in the fight of her life.
I'm being held hostage.
Her opponent, the insurance company denying the treatment that could cure her cancer.
It should never be this hard when it's a life and death issue.
Denver 7 starts right now.
Well, for that woman, it's hard to say which is more exhausting, living with cancer or dealing with her insurance company. Good evening and thanks for watching Denver 7. I'm Ann Trujillo.
And I'm Gary Road. It's been nearly 5 months since Hollie D'Arcey learned her diagnosis. So she's a nurse, so she knows how the system works and who to call. She even says she knows what treatment could save her.
And all that stands in her way is the provider that won't pay for it. As Contact 7's Liz Gilardi reports, she's running out of time to win this fight.
If I'm not at work, it's a full-time job.
Her full-time job is being a nurse. Her other full-time job, fighting with insurance. Hollie D'Arcey is living with cancer.
I want them to make the right decision for me.
She needs treatment for non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. We first introduced you to Hollie in October after 2 appeals were denied. Since then, not much has changed.
Not the result I hoped for.
She's fighting for something called proton beam therapy. According to the Mayo Clinic, it's a type of radiation therapy that uses energy from positively charged particles called protons. She saw a specialist who recommended it for her type of cancer. It even costs the same.
I feel like they're hiding behind the third-party administrator and not taking responsibility for their employee.
Hollie is covered under the CU Health Plan. It's a self-insured plan. So we went to CU to ask about the denials. A spokesperson says she hasn't exhausted the appeals process.
We need to have her complete the process so that we can have all of the information that we need.
The CU Health Plan sent her a letter on November 27th, saying it is the policy of plan administration not to intervene in order to ensure the integrity of the plan and fair and consistent processes for all our members. They also encouraged her to complete the external appeal. Hollie showed us her policy that says any external review decision is final and binding.
It should never be this hard when it's a life and death issue.
In the meantime, Hollie is working with lawmakers, trying to get her insurance company to change course.
But when a doctor, your doctor, is saying, this is the treatment that I recommend, and then your insurance company goes, no, we need to understand exactly why.
And she worries if she keeps fighting and delaying treatment, her health could be at risk.
I'm being held hostage right now by not getting help, by not getting treatment and just waiting and waiting for them to make these decisions.
Liz Gilardi, Denver 7.